Hey everyone, welcome to Coffee with My Sunshine. Today I am participating in the Look for Less challenge. This is hosted by Yami from the Latina Next Door and Jessica from Measure and Mix. I chose to do the modern Christmas tree, and this tree is gorgeous. I saw it on Rebecca Robeson's YouTube channel, and my husband was so sweet and said he would help me out on this because it took a lot of tools. So he took some Lexan and measured out the circles that we would need for the tree. He took the saber saw and cut out the circles for me, and then we sanded them down with this rigid tabletop sander. I'm not exactly sure what it's called. And then we went ahead and sanded the edges down by hand, what we couldn't get with the table. And then we took the circles inside and we marked where we wanted the chain to go through to hold them together. And we held those with a little bit, we knotted the bottom and then we held the rest of it with hot glue, and it seemed to work. We measured out the length in between the circles that we wanted, marked them with masking tape, and then we assembled the tree and then marked where we wanted the ornaments, and my husband drilled holes all along for me to put the ornament hooks through. And this is what we came up with. I thought it turned out really, really pretty. It's not exactly like the modern Christmas tree, but I love how it turned out. And I'm not sure that we're going to keep it over the dining room table because it does take up a lot of room. But we'll probably hang it in the corner in the living room or something, maybe with a light underneath. I think that would be really pretty. So I hope you liked this project that I did for the Look for Less challenge. And I will have the playlist listed below for all the other participants. So I hope to see you next time. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.